Pippit AI review. So what is Pippit AI? Pippit AI is an end-to-end marketing video and image creator by CapCut. It's designed for e-commerce and social media marketers. With just a product link, script, or image, it generates videos, avatars, images, and posters ready for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Shopify. So it comes with some key features. It has some video generation, digital avatars and voices, image and poster studios, and smart publishing, plus analytics. So what users says about it is highly usable for beginners. It is even e-commerce ready and they have positive reviews on some product hunts. However, it comes with some limitations. It has some template-driven output and they have credit-based pricing. So if you want to try it, simply just go to the platform and type any web link page right here and you can immediately generate it. So it's that simple. All you gotta do is log in using your email or you can sign up by pasting a product URL and then you can now customize scripts and formats and even generate and preview the outputs and you can also edit and export with just a prompt right here. So in conclusion, yes, if you're in e-commerce and social media or small business and need quick, quality marketing content without a creative team, Pivot AI is worth it.